Hi, it's Jason from Dennis Carpenters. Today we're going to take a look at our restoration quality mufflers for the 53 to 57 and 58 to 64 Ford tractors. If you're restoring a classic Ford tractor, knowing where to shop for the most correct parts makes a big difference in your final restoration. Unlike the cheap replacement mufflers previously available, Dennis Carpenter set out to make an exact original muffler for these classic tractors. Our mufflers are of the highest quality with the correct internal baffling for the correct Ford sound. Each muffler features the correct folded ends and the Fomoco script and factory part numbers for a show quality look. We carry the 1 5/8 small pipe version for the 53 to 64 tractors, 134 cubic inch, and the 55 through 57, 172 cubic inch engine tractors. We also carry the larger 2-inch inlet and 1 7/8 outlet muffler for the 58 to 64 tractors with the 172 cubic inch engine. So get your Ford tractor's exhaust looking and sounding like it was designed by replacing your muffler with a high-quality replacement muffler from Dennis Carpenter. You can find these and many other quality restoration parts for your tractor at dennis-carpenter.com. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and you can follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter.